Hey, what's going on everyone? Matthew from therighttrader.com here, back today with another price prediction analysis and forecast video, this time on Metal, also known as Metal Pay. And this is one of the smaller cryptocurrencies out there, currently ranking at the 67th spot with a market cap of $105 million. As per usual, I'm going to be giving you my price prediction for the next 6 to 12 months, so for 2017 to 2018. I'm going to be doing a more detailed technical analysis on this one as well. Of course, I'll go over the fundamentals really quickly and community size, stuff like that. Now, what's funny is, I'm going kind of back and forth on whether I like Metal or not. And overall, just to give you a really quick opinion, I think that it's not bad, but it definitely has some cloudiness around it, which is causing it some issues, right? And I'll get into that in a second, but really quickly, community size on their subreddit is over 1,500 people, so pretty small, but relatively normal size for where it's ranking, right? And as far as, what they're working on, they're basically kind of like Dash, it seems like, right? They refer to themselves as being digital cash, like Dash. And basically, it seems like they want to be, the closest thing, basically a digital version of cash and an improved version of cash, right? Where you get things like rewards and stuff like that. They're working on different aspects of a cryptocurrency. Now, their big thing is their rewards, right? So earn up to 5% MTL on every purchase, and then discounts and stuff like that. The one problem with the whole thing is it's not very clear to me how they really want to differentiate themselves from some of the other cryptocurrencies out there and what really makes them special. But hey, maybe I'm just missing something, right? Now, moving over to the numbers here, because this is what I really want to jump into, is the numbers in the chart on this one. It has a low supply, which is good, and volume is good as well. Pretty big for its size, actually. It's been ramping up in the past couple days after this whole Bitcoin fork drama is out of the way. But yeah, the supply is definitely nice and tight, which I like, right? That definitely improves the scarcity. And of course, it's at a good range right now, $100 million in market cap. This is a good area where it could really go higher in the future. So that leaves it some room to grow for sure. And what I wanted to get into before I jump into, the technical analysis and the chart, which I do, I like how it's setting up right now. It's not out of the woods yet, but it's setting up nicely. I want to mention the cloudiness and sort of the shakiness around the name right now. So, this has been a cryptocurrency that was recommended for review by some of my viewers. And if you want me to review a cryptocurrency, let me know. I've already reviewed a bunch. You can check out my price predictions playlist. I'll have a link to this in the description and in the comment section below. But yeah, if you want me to review a cryptocurrency, just let me know. Now, as far as the, shakiness, like I said, regarding Metal, during my research, I saw that there was some discontent around investors, and obviously the price action hasn't been great, right? It's been falling since September, really. So I wanted to try to figure out what was going on, and I found this post by Quantum Dwayne. So shout out to him for writing this up. But basically, it seems like the distribution of Metal and its token was not great, apparently. And what happened is a lot of insiders seem to hold a large amount of the cryptocurrency, which obviously creates some concerns that they may dump a portion of their holdings, which would obviously, negatively affect the price. And that's a pretty big problem, right? If this cryptocurrency is centralized, that's definitely not a good thing, right? There's also some problems with, how they keep on saying that stuff will happen soon, not really performing and getting stuff done. So that's causing some concerns among investors, right? And a lot of people agree here with what this person said. So that's kind of what caused the shakiness, it seems, since September. Now, for a bit of good news on Metal, the chart is looking pretty good right now. And, I don't want to speak too soon because it is in a downtrend still, and if things don't turn out here, I'll really turn bearish on this, and I think that'll, just go to its lows, and really go down the drain, really. But right now, it's looking like it could have a nice reversal, and that's what I'm looking at. So As you can see on the MACD, the histogram is pulling back up. We have a very overextended MACD that's hooking back over and seems that it's going to cross over the orange line. RSI pretty flat right now. So what we want to see is, of course, the MACD crossover and the price to break out of this symmetrical triangle that we have right now. Where it would probably move above the brown line, and yeah, that could set it up for, finally putting in a bottom and start making new highs, a full reversal in play, which would bring it back up to probably its all-time high within a year to give you my price prediction. So, about a 300% increase right there. Let's see, its all-time high was, $15. So, yeah, about a 300% increase for metal I think is possible if, some of the, like I said, the cloudiness, is able to free itself from the name and things start looking better for it. Probably a breakout here above the downtrend line, like I said, and then getting back above this brown line, the middle band, which is currently at $6.64, at which point, it could really start moving and uptrending higher. Now, as far as the Bollinger Bands go, it's also looking pretty good. There's a lot of room to move up. As you can see, the upper Bollinger Band is at $10 right now, more or less. So basically, what I'm trying to say here is technically, it's looking really good, right? The MACD is very bullish right now. I love this formation, and it's looking like it can definitely break out here. There's room to move upwards. The one thing to be careful with, like I said, is, it is downtrending, and actually, I should draw this kind of secondary downtrend line right over here, which this is the one that we truly have to be careful, right? Because even if we get a breakout here, a short-term, nice bounce or something, if we still come and hit this downtrend line over here and fall back down, nothing will have changed, right? I'll definitely be bearish on the name, and I think at that point it'll probably be going down the drain. But yeah, like I said, we just want to make sure that it's not some kind of false breakout like we had over here, where okay, we were downtrending, we got a breakout, but it didn't hold at all, and it just fell back down, right? The good thing though is that it is flattening out. And like I said, it does seem like this is going to be a little bit of a breakout slash reversal type thing. But we'll have to wait and see if it happens. I think it'll move back to its all-time highs within a year. That's my opinion on Middle Pay. Let me know what you think of it. Let me know what you think about sort of its cloudiness around its name, and I guess maybe a little bit of a bad reputation. If that's fair to say, I'm not sure, but you get the idea. Let me know what you think of Middle Pay. Do you like it? Do you think it's going to move higher in the next year? And yeah, I'd be interested to hear your thoughts. Otherwise, thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.